We went to ShopRite yesterday, me and my cousin. But first of all, on our way, I discovered something inside the bus. People are not happy. Through their conversations, they are not happy. And then little thing, they flare up. They start shouting at each other. Some shouting at drivers, some shouting at each other because of getting a guard draw. There's no money in their pocket. A guard draw one day. You're going to work. Money works with blood. When you don't have money in your pocket, your blood is not flowing well. And you talk am. When you don't have money in your pocket, your blood is not flowing well. So you're going to work. So a lot of people are angry. A little thing they will flare up, shouting to each other, and because there's no money. And I discovered something yesterday. Again, the gap between poor and rich, if it is like this before, bigger and bigger. The gap between rich and poor. There's nothing like middle class in Nigeria again. There's no middle class cities in Nigeria. It's either you are rich or poor. Take it from me. It's either you are rich or poor. Government has changed everything. It's either you are rich or poor. And remember, in the early 80s and 90s, they will say that this person is rich. This person is middle class. When all those civil servants are the middle class and these people is poor. But today, even the civil servants today, they can't be able to feed 3 square meals. So our so-called 3 square meals, they can't feed their children 3 times. That is the condition of the country. Nigeria is a poor country now. We are poor. Forget about those people that are flaunting money and cash. They are the thieves in this nation. Majority of them, not all of them, because there are people that have legit money. And our politicians, we know how they got their money. And even our church leaders. There are 2 businesses to do in this country. Without capital, you can still be able to make it. Whether you're a politician or you're a church founder. Yes, the 2 biggest business, but the biggest business in Nigeria is politics. Something that we enter with nothing and go home with billions of dollars. The next is religion. Christianity mostly. That is it. But the 2 of them are the same thing. They are one coin with 2 faces. One coin with different faces. That is politics and religion, government and religion. They are one. Put me anywhere. Government and religion, they are one. One body, 2 faces. But that is the topic for another day. So that is it. The gap has become wider and wider and wider. And through that wideness, they have deleted middle class. Nothing like middle class in Nigeria again. So that you are rich or poor. And I noticed something yesterday in ShopRite. Thing plays out. See the way people are really going. People are, oh man, see their faces. We see something they like, you can't be able to buy it because there's no money. You see that this person needs this thing, but he can't afford it. You turn back and go home. Then I saw her yesterday. I saw our sisters, 18, 19, 17, dressing like a harlot and parading themselves in the street of ShopRite along that Polo Park yesterday. Some in the premises, some outside the premises. Because of what? Said that they are hungry. They want somebody that will buy their food, and they want somebody that will buy their necessities, their personal effect, somebody that will sleep with them and give them money. That's why they dress like harlot. Any guy that's come out of a car, they will start looking at him. Any guy that is driving inside the ShopRite, they will start looking at him. You see what the government has turned our sisters into? Prostitution, and our brothers into armed robbers. Which way Nigeria? Which way government? Do the needful now and save this nation from this mess. Our government should do the needful and save us from this mess. What is happening? The so-called giant of Africa has become the dwarf of Africa. Giant of Africa is now the dwarf of Africa. What is happening? Which way, Niger? Our Naira is nothing to write home about. Naira is about 1.16 or 1.5 something per dollar. What is happening? Pound is 2,000 something. What is happening, man? What is happening? Which way, Nigeria? Like I said, the gap between the rich and poor is very wide. It's like an erosion, demarcating the 2. If you don't take time, that erosion will swallow you. That's why the rich they are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. What is happening? Something must be. Oh God, we need to. Don't know what to say. But something must be done. This nation are falling. The so-called giant of Africa has become the dwarf of Africa. Which way, Niger? We need to do something. It's getting tougher. It's getting worse. We need to do something. Okwan God and none. Kemesian.